Hello guys, welcome to another essential tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be putting you through how to participate in Hana Network Testnet. Hana Network is a privacy hub that enables privacy, confidentiality, and security on all blockchains. Before we dive right into the tutorial, please be reminded that you can support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the Binance Smart Chain network, and the contract address of WikiCat is right in the description. Alright, so Hana Network Testnet is live at the moment, and so you can participate in their testnet as a way to position yourself for potential rewards. Okay, so first off, we're going to open Mrs. Browser. So next, we'll open the link to their platform. Paste, go. Alright guys, so the next thing is to sign up using your Gmail. So come over here to sign up. So I'll just select my Gmail account. Continue. Okay, so I'll have to set up a password. So my password must meet all these criteria. So next is to tap this icon. Okay guys, so this is our wallet, and as you can see, it says test tokens are being sent to our wallet. So we're going to see some test tokens in our wallet soon. So you might have to wait for some time for the test token to appear in your wallet. Okay guys, so as you can see, we now have some test token in our wallet. We have Hana, we have BTC, we have Ethereum on the Ethereum chain, USDC, and we have Ethereum on Arbitrum chain. Alright, so once you sign up, these test token will automatically be sent to your wallet. Okay guys, so the first engagement we're going to be doing is to send our test token. So come over to transfer. And then you're going to input an address. An address will be in the description of this video in case you need an address to transfer to. Okay, so I'm going to paste the address I want to send to. And then I'll input the amount of Hana that I want to send. Say 1. Then select this icon. Okay, so transaction successful. Right, so you can send some more test tokens to your friends. Okay guys, so the next on the list is to go over to Galaxy and complete some tasks. So let's go to Galaxy. Paste link. Search. Alright guys, so first thing is to log in. So let's log in. Metamask. Next, confirm. Okay guys, so we're logged in, and as you can see, these are tasks to complete. So just ensure to complete all of these tasks, and then you get 1 oath and 35 points. So over here where you have tasks incomplete, right? Once they're all completed, you should see a claim button to claim your reward. All right, so let me just do one of these tasks. Visit. Okay, I'll have to verify my email. So I'm going to input my email. Send. Alright, so I'll go get a code from my email inbox. Copy. Paste the code. Verify. I can now do the task. Visit the Hana gateway and sign up. I think I've already done that. Right? So I'll just select this. Alright, so once you're done with each task, you see this green checker sign on them, and then you can now claim your rewards. So the next engagement is to complete social tasks on Intract. So let's go to Intract. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is to sign in. So coming over here to sign in, we'll have to sign in our Discord, our Twitter, or our wallet. I'm going to sign in my Twitter account. authorize. These are tasks that one can do to earn XPs, but at the moment, this is already ended. You can see, but you can always come here as regular as you can to check for new tasks, complete them, and earn, XPs. All right, guys, so that'll be basically all for now. Thank you for watching the tutorial video. Please do ensure to like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Drop your questions in the comment section if you have questions to ask. And of course, turn on your notification bell so as to be notified whenever we post a video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.